From medicine and genetics to agriculture and manufacturing, machine learning will revolutionize every single industry. Today, machine learning engineers are among the highest paid and the most sought out talent. However, 80% of what machine learning teams need to do in production is unrelated to machine learning. What causes problems is infrastructure, orchestration, management, pipelines, and APIs. These pains are especially felt by fast-moving AI-centric startups, who can spend months just to go from research to production. This affects time to market on critical features, as well as the overall productivity and morale of their engineering teams. Introducing Inferex. Inferex automates AI infrastructure and deployment. Finally, machine learning engineers can focus on their product and in just a few lines of code can convert their trained models into fully fledged APIs. Workloads can be orchestrated across any cloud provider, as well as across Inferex's physical infrastructure. By automating the problematic 80% of machine learning deployment, a project that would typically take several months can now be done at a fraction of the time without an infrastructure team. Our platform will be developed initially for AI-centric startups, then expanded for enterprise use, and finally, used by Inferex itself to develop verticals across hundreds of other industries. AI is currently a $100 billion market, growing at 40% per year. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have been grabbing market share as the inherited main players in the industry. However, their ML platforms sacrifice cost and flexibility to support a narrow subset of the market that is currently very lucrative. With unclear costs, poor documentation, the lack of a community, and an inability to support novel use cases, it seems that they've abandoned the ideals of a developer-centric platform. By contrast, Inferex adopts a first principles approach to the entire infrastructure stack. From metal to machine learning, every single piece of hardware and software is meticulously optimized to create the best possible foundation for AI startups to build wonders. Before founding Inferex, I won the Beats Young Scientist for my project on optimizing deepfake detection pipelines at scale. I've felt these infrastructure headaches firsthand. At the start of summer, we raised over $1 million to realize this vision. During the Accelerator, we began early customer discovery, hiring our team, and working on our MVP. We now have a team of 3 engineers, and we're looking to add 4 more over the next 6 months. AI will be one of the most revolutionary technologies we've seen in over a century. Our mission is to accelerate the global impact of AI by empowering engineers with the right tools and the right infrastructure. If you're one of those engineers, come join us. Let's build the future of AI together.